Right, how to do this perspective drawing. First of all, let's understand these two views over here. This is the top view of this object, and this is the front view of this object. The horizon line over here is down below this object, therefore we need to be looking up at the bottom of it. All right. There's my stationary point. This is where I'm situated in relation to this top view, okay? And I'm looking across at it like that. I can see the front of it, and I can see this right-hand side. So I can see the front, and I can see the right-hand side. Because the horizon line is down below, I can see the bottom of the object. I'm not going to be able to see the top view of it. Right, let me start this thing. Here I go. I'm going to, first of all, transfer all the information across from this front view in construction lines and down from the top view so that I end up with a front view in construction lines directly below the top view. All right, there it is in construction lines. I now need to go and take lines down to the vanishing point. All right, my vanishing point is directly below the stationary point on this horizon line. So that would be my VP over there, vanishing point. I'm just going to darken this in very, very slightly so that you can see this idea as to what it is that you are meant to be drawing. Okay, these are still construction lines. As I always say, draw this front view in construction lines so that at the end of the drawing you will have the correct shape. Right, okay, step number 2 is to take lines down from all of the corners down to the vanishing point. So I take lines in construction lines going down to the vanishing point. Work incredibly accurately, as I keep on saying. The accuracy of this is going to influence the final product of your drawing hugely. Right, once you've done that, you need to find these corners. Now, as I said, you can see this back corner over here. Right, so I'm going to drop a line down from the picture plane. You can see that line coming down to stationary point. I'm going to drop a line down from the picture plane, and I need to find where is it that it is going to connect. So here I go. There is my back corner. It is traveling down. How far down is it going to travel? Down to that point over there. And I can draw that in dark. That point over there actually has 2 points on it. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. So I look for the bottom corner over here that is traveling down to there. So I can draw a line in over there. And I'm going to darken in that line coming straight back to the front. And you can see the right-hand side of this object. Right. That then will go across to a point at the back. So I take a line from that point at the back and at the bottom. There it goes to the stationary point. Take it down where it cuts the picture plane, and I should find a line coming across from that back corner to the back corner. Back corner to the back corner. That then comes forward to the front corner over here. And I can see the bottom of this thing. Right. As I said before, since I'm over here, I can see the front. You can see this line over here. If that's me, I'm looking at it. I can see that line, and I'll be able to see that line over there. So I need you to can see that line. There are 2 points on it. 1, 2. It then goes across to this point over here. So it's going to go across to that point over there. That point over there has got 2 points on it. 1, 2. So I can draw that in dark. What is not over here is this slanted line over here. You can see that it's a dark line over there and over there, which means that there's a break over here. This angled line over here is further back into the object. So, how far back is that angled line? I'm going to find that by taking lines from that angle to there. I'm going to drop that down. And that one is at the top of the thing. There it is. So, how far back over here? That would be the point over there. And obviously, if I'm looking at this thing, that line is actually going to be in hidden detail. So I'm going to do hidden detail going down to that point over there. Right. That line has got 2 points on it. One at the top, one at the bottom. We found the top point. It then goes straight down to one at the bottom. So there it is. There it comes across, strikes the picture plane, comes down. I've got that point, and I'm going to have hidden detail going to the bottom one. That then comes back to the front over here, so I'm going to have hidden detail going all the way back to the front over here. Right, that then goes across to the base over there. Let's find out where that goes. Take a line from that point going across to there, dropping straight down, and I should find a point over there. If I've drawn accurately, I'll find that I've got a line going horizontal across from there, and this line over here, it's a sloping line, so I've got a sloping line coming up to corner over there. I then have a hidden detail line going back from there to there, and there it is, hidden detail line going back from there to there. Why is it in hidden detail? Because I'm standing over there, I can't see that part of it. Right, this then continues to the back over here, so I can find that back corner over there, line coming to the back corner at the top, drops down, and I will have a line that continues back to there. Okay, that line drops that line, okay, needs to go at an angle. It goes at an angle down to there. So I need to find where that line is. There it is. Draw a line across and drop it down until it reaches this line coming across here. So there's my angled line over there. That then drops down to the corner over here. And this one goes across to that corner at the back there. This will also have a hidden detail line coming across to there. And at the end of the day, there is our object done for us. This line over here, as I said, should be a construction line, so that doesn't actually really feature in this drawing. That's a little bit easier for you guys to see it. At the end of the day, yep, you should be able to see something that looks like that. The base, because it's the horizon line, is below the object.